Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into PHH Mortgage for loan servicing and statements, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for PHH Mortgage. Press the enter key to navigate to the website. Look for the login button or link, usually located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the login button. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, enter your username in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. Double-check your entries for any typos. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password. Once you have entered your username and password, click the Sign In button. After successfully logging in, you will be directed to your account dashboard. From here, you can access loan servicing options. To view your statements, navigate to the Statements section. Click on the appropriate links to download or view your statements. If you encounter any issues, check the FAQ or support section for assistance. When you're finished, make sure to log out of your account for security. Exit the browser window. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.